Okay, good morning everyone class. So today we will be learning about day 2 of our lesson 1 in module number 5, which is about still on special products. But today we will now be learning about the cube of a binomial. So as a review of the previous lesson, yesterday we have discussed the FOIL method wherein we answer quiz number 10. And today we will be learning how to solve for a cube of a binomial. So how do we know if it is a cube of a binomial? I would like you to look at on this fig this term. This is a plus b raised to the power of 3. When you say cube, dapat it is raised to 3. Okay? Naka-raise daw siya sa tatlo. Tulad nito, we have a plus b, then raised to the power of 3. And how are we going to solve that one? First is we are going to square the first one, then multiply it to the itself, a plus b. So, tingnan nyo, paano siya naging the same? Paano sila naging equal? Cube man ito siya. Ito siyang a plus b squared and invisible 1 here, 1 plus 2, magiging cube na siya. Yun po yung ibig sabihin yan. And we are going to get the a plus b times a plus b. Magiging ganito na siya. A times a, FOIL method, a squared plus a times b, it's ab, and b times a, that's ab again, and b times b is b squared. Then multiply it to the last part, which is a plus b. Then a squared plus ab plus ab, ito magkaparehong ab at saka ab, so magiging 2ab na yan siya. Plus 2ab plus b squared. Then multiply it to the third one, which is a plus b. Okay, next, you are going to multiply this using distributive property. So a squared times a, this one, we have a cube. Next, 2ab times a, that is 2a squared b. Next, b squared times a is ab squared. And the next one is a squared times b, that is a squared times, saan na ba tayo? A squared times b, that is a squared b. Next, a squared times b, 2ab times b, that is 2, oops, sorry, that is 2ab squared. Then, uh, 2ab times, b squared times b, that is b cubed. So, b cubed. And if we are going to simplify this further, we now have the answer of a cubed, this one, then 2ab, a 2a squared b, then hanapan natin siya ng kampi, that is a squared b sa kabila. So, invisible 1, that is 3a squared b. Next, ab squared, then 2ab squared, magiging invisible 1 ito, plus 2, that is 3, 3ab squared, and the last one is b cubed. And that is now the final answer. Take a look at this. Oops, sorry. Erase tayo kasi masyadong marumi tingnan. Okay, so that is now the answer. So that is now the cube of a binomial. Now, i-follow lang natin ito, itong formula. Kapag merong a plus b raised to the power of 3, or the quantity a plus b raised to the power of 3, ito agad ang sundin natin na rule. Ang sabi sa rule, a cube mo daw yung a, then the 3a squared mo daw yung second, then ang third is 3ab squared, and the last is b cubed. Yun lang yung formula. Okay, next, proceed tayo sa what about naman cube of binomial ng difference? Kapag difference naman po, a cube minus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared minus b cube ang sagot. The same lang din po ang pattern tulad ng solving kanina. Okay, how about this one? Let's solve this. So, x plus 5 raised to the power of 3. Okay, balikan natin yung formula. Ang sabi po sa formula, a cube plus 3a squared b. Ito po, a cube plus 3a squared b, then 3ab squared plus 3ab squared, then b cubed plus b cubed. Yan daw po yung formula kapag mag-a plus b raised to the power of 3 ikaw. So, tingnan natin. What is our a? Our a here is x, and our b is 5. Take note, our a here is x, and our b here is 5. So, let's do sa substitution. So, we have a cubed. What is our ax? So, we have x cubed plus 3a squared. What is our a squared? X squared. Our b is 5, so times 5. Okay, plus 3, what is our a again? X. And our b squared, b times b or 5 times 5, that is 25 times 25. Plus b cubed, what is our b is 5. 5 times 5 is 25 times 5, that is 125. 100, oops, di na magdaan. 125. Okay, let's do the simplification. X cubed plus 3 times 5, that is 15x squared, plus 3 times 25, that is 75x, plus 125. And that is now how to solve for a cube of binomial. Ulitin ko, paano to siya gisolve? So, meron tayong given na formula. Ito po yun siya. A plus B, the quantity A plus B raised to the power of 3 is just simply getting the A cubed, 3A squared B plus 3AB squared plus B cubed. So, how do you know if this A or B? The first number and variable is A. The second number is B. Okay? So, A is X, B is 5. Then we are going to substitute it here. So, what is our A? A here is X. Our B is 5. So, A cubed, that means X cubed. 3A squared, that means 3X squared times 5. 3AB squared, that means 3X times 25. Plus B cubed, that is 125. And how did we able to get B squared in this and 25? Because we have B squared. And how do we get 125? Because of B cubed. Our B is 5. 5 times 5 times 5, that is 125. And we are going to multiply it further or simplify. 3 times 5, that is 15. And 3 times 25, that is 75. Then copy 125. And this is now the final answer. Okay, so that is now the cube of a binomial. So what about the difference? So we have the formula x minus 6 cube. So the formula says like this. So x minus 6 cube is equal to, balikan natin yung formula. Okay, minus plus minus. Ganun lang po. Minus plus minus. Yung tandaan nyo. So, oops. A cube, A cube, 3A squared B, 3AB squared. Okay, hindi magsulat for a while. Something wrong talaga sa aking. Tataka lang ako, hindi siya nagsusulat kapag nasa gilid. Bakit kaya? So, 3A squared B, 3AB squared B cubed. Okay, balikan natin ano yung formula. Minus plus minus. Minus, plus, and minus. So, yan po yung formula. So, we are going to follow that one. Our A here is X, and our B here is 6. Okay? Okay, let's do now the solving. So, we have A cubed, that is X cubed. Next, minus 3, what is our A? X squared B. Our B is 6. Plus 3, what is our A? X again, and our B squared is 6 times 6, that is 36. Next, minus B cubed, our B is 6, so 6 times 6 times 6. We have 6 times 6, 36 times 6, 36 times 6. 6 times 6, 36. 3 times 6, 18, 19, 20, 21. That is 216. So we have 216. Next, let's simplify it further. X cubed minus 3 times 6, that is 18x squared, plus 3 times 36, that is 36 times 3, we have 18, carry 1, 3 times 3, 9, plus 1, 10, 108. 108x minus 216. And this is now the final answer for getting the difference of the cube of a binomial. Okay, that is now the example number 2. Please copy to make your portfolio for this module number 5. Okay, let's post nyo muna, then let's proceed to the next one. Next one is what you call the square of a trinomials. Square of a trinomials. When you say square, that is raised to the power of 2. Trinomials, meaning may tatlong terms na ginamit. So, ano yung first term? Ito. Second term, ito. And the third term is dyan. Kaya po, 1, 2, 3. Kaya po siya trinomials. Kasi tatlong terms po ang ginamit. Okay? The formula is like this. You square A, B, and C. Then, you multiply 2AB, 2AC, and 2BC. So, yun po yung pattern dyan. 2AB, 2AC, 2BC. Okay, let's proceed. What is our first term? Again, sabi po dito, square daw ang A, B, and C. So, we have the given x plus 2y equals plus 3z. This is our A, this is our B, this is our C. Square daw ang A, that is the first term. X squared. Square naman ang B for the second term. That is, paano i-square is, ibig sabihin po ng square, i-multiply siya by itself. So, 2y times 2y magiging 4y squared. Next, 3z, squared daw siya. That is 3z times 3z. That is 3 times 3, 9, and z squared. Okay? The next one is 2ab ang fourth term. 2, what is our a? That is x, and our b is 2y. Next, the third term is, that fourth term is 2ac, then 2bc. 2, what is our a? X, and c is 3z. And the last term is 2bc. That is 2 times, what is our b? 2y. C is 3z. Okay, let's simplify it further. So we have 2 times 2, yung number lang muna i-multiply, 4xy. Next, 2 times 3, that is 6xz. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 4 times 3. That is, 2 times 2 is 4 times 3, that is 12. YZ. Okay, so gawin na natin siya. We have x squared plus 4y squared plus 9z squared plus 4xy plus 6xz plus 12yz. Okay, that is how easy to solve for the cube of a square of a trinomial. Okay, ulitin ko, first term, kunin lang daw ang a squared. Second term, kunin lang ang b squared. Third term, kunin lang ang c squared. So how do we get that one? Ang a natin is x, ang b natin is 2y, ang c natin is 3z. Ibig sabihin ng squared is i-multiply siya sa kanyang sarili ng dalawang beses. Example, our a squared is x times x, that is x squared. Ang b natin is b squared is 2y times 2y, that is 4y squared. C natin is 3z, 3z times 3z, that is 9z squared. And the next one is 2ab, that's 2ab. Next, 2ac, next 2bc. Yun po yung formula sa 4th, 5th, and 6th term. Then you are going to combine that one para makuha ang square ng trinomials. Okay, next, we have finding the product of 2x minus 3y plus 4z. So, first term is our A, is our B. Okay, hindi na magsulat. So, dito na lang muna tayo para mabilis. So, trial tayo. Trial. X plus 5 raised to the power of 3. So, x plus 5 raised to the power of 3. Ibig sabihin po niyan, ano gani yung rule? Sabi po sa rule is, ito po. Yan po ang rule. A cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus 3b plus b cubed. Okay, I would like you to try that one. Okay, let us reveal now the answer. So, Kopyahin muna natin yung formula. Balikan natin. Medyo mahirap kasi i-memorize. A cube, A squared B squared. Okay. We have A cube, A cube plus 3A squared B plus 3B, A B squared plus B cube. Okay, that's the formula. This is our A and this is our B. Sabi po, A cube. What is A? That is X. X cube. Plus 3, what is our A squared? That is X squared. B, what is our B? That is 5. Plus 3A, oops, wala po yan. 3A squared B. 3A, hindi na magsulat. Plus 3A, what is our A? That is X. Then our B squared, that is 5 squared. Plus B cube. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So that is 125. Okay, let's simplify it further. So, multiply lang muna ang number. 15x squared plus 3 times 5. 5 times 5, 25 times 3. That is 75x plus 125. Okay, that is now the answer for this trial. Now, for quiz number 10, 11, I would like you to answer, find the cube of a trinomial of x plus 5x plus 2x. Okay, so answer that one and submit it today. So, that is 20 points. 10 points po ang mali. 20 po ang tama. But let's find out how do we get the 20 score. So, this ends our lesson. I would like, please gawan nyo na ng portfolio yung module number 5 because this is the last part of our lesson for module number 5. Okay, goodbye everyone. Thank you and God bless.